I just finished outside in my garden cleaning up the mess yesterday. It was so windy and it rained so hard, so we got flooded out in the yard. Water was all over, the pool was overflowing. Oh, what a disaster. But you know what? Such is life. We move on. We find solution to each problem, right? So now I am getting hungry and I am making breakfast. So it's a very easy breakfast. I like eggs. I don't know, some people don't like eggs, but I already cracked my eggs and I have here. I usually, if I have them available, I usually make 4 eggs, but I only use 2 yolks and 2 more egg whites. So that's it right there. And then if I have some greens available, like today I have baby spinach, I put a handful of spinach. And I usually use either olive oil or my favorite Benacol. And then I'm lactose intolerant. We who are lactose intolerant find alternatives because I still like cheese, but because I cannot, tolerate the dairy, I have to find something that, can satisfy that cheese flavor. I know it's not really cheese, but you know what? It satisfies my craving. So this is one of my favorites right there. And I also have pepper jack, and I love it with my eggs. Sometimes I snack on it. It's only 60 calories per slice. And sometimes I put protein in it. Maybe chicken slices or turkey sausages. But today I'm just gonna do spinach, eggs, and the cheese. And then I'm going to sprinkle it with my favorite no salt seasoning. Thyme, also my favorite seasoning for my eggs. So, easy breakfast, right? That's it. here is my breakfast. Very easy to make, and I love my fruits too. In the morning, I only have blackberries and pears today.